Online banking login, Hong Leong Bank. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Hong Leong Bank's online banking platform quickly and easily. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, simply type in www.hlb.com and hit enter. Or alternatively, you can simply search for Hong Leong login also. Now, all you need to do is simply enter your username. Once you've entered your username, tap on next and you'll be prompted to enter your credential, that is password, in the respective fields. Make sure there are no typing errors, especially in your password, as it is case sensitive. And once you've done that, simply tap on login and you'll be logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply tap on register for online banking and you can simply register for it. And that's it. That's how you can simply log into Hong Leong Bank's online banking platform with ease.